I just want to ask you to Kirtana. Others, everyone keep apple, mango, everything aside. Now concentrate in the class. Don't speak in between, okay? Yes. So next. Yeah, everyone muted. Should we mute? So all of you muted. Okay, good. Danvin, unmute. Only Danvin, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Danvin, give an example of a fruit which has only one seed.
Mango.
Mango, very good. Manav, Madhu. Where is he? Manav, Madhu. Where is he? Next board. Okay, Niranjan. Niranjan,
Yes,
give me one of the fruit which is known as a drupe. Drupe. You learned in the first class a new word, drupe, or stone fruit.
Coconut.
Coconut. Okay. Navanit Krishna, where are you looking? Give one example of another fruit with one seed.
Ma'am, rambutan.
Rambutan. Rambutan, one seed. Okay, that's okay. I wanted Manas, give me another fruit which is known as stone fruit or drupe.
Ma'am,
Stone fruit or drupe. Manas. Morning we have learned so many examples for a stone fruit, correct? Or drupe. Manas, give one example. Are you saying I can't hear you? Stone fruit means it has a thin skin. The seed has a thin skin, but it is very hard. Just like coconut, Navanit said. Then I asked other person, he said, she said mango, like that. Another fruit which has got very hard seed. Can you tell, Manas? Don't know. Or just, do you know?
ma'am, apricot.
Apricot, very good. Okay, Rudra Robin, another example.
Yes, ma'am.
Another example of a stone fruit.
Dates.
Dates. Okay, very good. Okay, children. So now we are going to learn. So these all things I know we have learned so many examples. Now we are moving on to the next type, the fruits which has got many seeds. Very good. Everyone knows so many. Watermelon. Okay. Another person, Manav Madhu. Give an example of a fruit have many seeds. A fruit
watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay, Srihari. Yes, another one. Another example. Lemon. 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 Okay. Janvi, another example.
Ma'am, papaya.
Papaya. Okay, very good. Next, Glenn Biju, another example of a fruit with many seeds.
Ma'am, with many seeds.
With many seeds.
Watermelon.
Watermelon over, papaya over, lemon is over. Say.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say Kirtana?
1 minute. Let's
Ma'am,
Glenn,
can I say Manjima?
are you saying Glenn?
Can I say Felix? I don't know. Ma'am, Felix. Ma'am,
can I say
Kirtana say.
Orange.
Orange. Okay, Manjima, you say.
Ma'am, many seeds fruit.
Yes, many seeds.
Ma'am, guava.
Guava. Okay, guava. Okay. Felix, another one. You are about to say another one.
Grapes.
Okay. Nainika.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me another example of a fruit with many seeds.
Ma'am,
Apple.
watermelon.
Yes. Watermelon over.
Ma'am,
Any
can
other?
I?
Ma'am,
Can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Maya.
Adidev.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Okay. Unimaya. Papaya over. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I, Aditi? Ma'am, can I? Rashidi. Ma'am, can I?
Hyra. Yes, Hyra. Hyra. Tell me. Anything they did not say now. You have to say different one. Okay, Hyra?
Can I say ma'am?
Hyra.
Siddhi.
Others keep quiet. Others keep quiet. Hyra, do you know? Fruits with many seeds.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Can I ask Siddhi?
Okay. Yes. Hyra, 1 minute. Just keep quiet. Hyra about to say pomegranate is over. Any other more? Aditi, yes.
Ma'am, passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Okay, passion fruit.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I know
Siddhi.
two. Ma'am, I know two. Ma'am, one is, I don't know English, but I know Malayalam. See the param.
That is custard apple.
Custard
Okay. Custard apple.
apple.
Sarah.
Ma'am, and Aki. Ma'am, and Aki.
Custard?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am, Sarah?
Say Sarah, I'm asking you.
Fruit.
Which jackfruit? Yes, jackfruit. Okay. Anyone
Ma'am.
else?
I know.
Ma'am, I have.
Okay,
Kiwi.
Say
Ma'am, is kiwi.
kiwi. Kiwi has many fruits or one fruit? I'm not sure about it. Okay, that's why.
Seed.
Okay. Many seeds. It should have many seeds. Just like sometimes.
Can I say Rizam?
Risa
Ma'am,
said,
can I say? Ma'am, jackfruit
jackfruit already told.
and
Okay.
banana.
Oh, banana has many seeds. So what? Okay. Okay, children. So now I know. Now we are, whatever you said is correct. We are now moving on to the third one. Some fruits do not have seeds. Of course, banana. Banana doesn't have a seed. So fruit, the seedless, one of the fruit is banana, and all type of grapes. Some of the grapes will have seed, but some grapes do not have.
And banana has small black.
Yeah,
That
black
is not a
inside.
seed, Baba. That is not a seed. Okay. For banana plant, and what do? We take the small plant, small banana plant, and will come out of near the root of the one banana tree. So from that only we are taking the next sapling. The banana has one type of fiber. It is not
And
a
when
seed.
we eat green color grapes, there is small
Yes.
seed. Right
It is not only green color, not juicy grapes. We have juicy grapes. It has maybe 1 or 2 seeds. I remember, but there are some grapes what we get from outside, like other countries we import some of the grapes that did not have a single seed. So even green grapes may not have a single seed. So banana and the grapes, they are.
So how does banana grow? So how does banana and grape grow if there's no seed?
Do you have a banana tree at home, Siddhi? 1 minute. Others keep quiet. Others keep quiet. Siddhi, do you have a banana tree at home?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Now, Lavani, yes. Do you have a banana tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen the small sapling is coming out? How does the new plant is coming from where?
Yes, ma'am.
From the stem, from the root. So banana, another banana is coming out from the root of the. Yes.
Stem.
1 minute.
We cut the stem and we plant.
No. We don't cut the stem. Bananas means it is root. Everything is deep inside the mud. So from the single banana tree, from the root, another small banana tree comes. Okay, that is how. Similarly, I have taught seedless grapes. Seedless grapes is coming because it is the hybrid. So whatever we have, the grapes with the seeds, they are local grapes. Okay, that we get it plenty. But seedless grapes, what we get from outside part of India. Some we will get it from Kashmir, Ooty, that area. They are hybrid. Hybrid means they will mix the 2 different types of grapes. They mix together and they will get a new plant. Okay. So that is how we are getting the sapling for it. So all the grapes are not having seeds. Some grapes have seed, some grapes did not have seed. So usually banana and grapes are the one we are getting a fruit without any seed. Otherwise, majority all other fruits have got a single seed or multiple seeds. Did you get that point? Okay. So that's what. So you understood. We have a different fruits. The fruits with one seed, and we also have a fruits with more seeds, and we also have a seedless fruit like this. Okay. And fourth category, some seeds have
cashew nuts
the
and
picture what I'm showing is cashew nuts or cashew fruit. This have got a seed outside. Okay, this is the one of the peculiar fruit.
So that red color is fruit.
This is the fleshy part. This you can eat. This is what you said. You get cashew nuts to make a paisam and all, no? So
Yes,
that we
ma'am.
get it from inside. We will fry this seed, and then from inside you will get the cashew nuts from this. So this is one of the peculiar fruit we can say. Cashew fruit. So this is a one peculiar. We call it kashumanga or parangi mangoes. Sometimes we call it. Okay. I think this is came into India. The Portuguese people brought it from their land to plant here. That is how we got it.
Can you tell the fruit's name?
Cashew fruits. Cashew.
Ma'am, can I say
something?
Cashew and the seed. The seed of that is the what you call cashew nut. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, what do we call the tree? What do we call the tree?
Cashew,
The Maya.
cashew plant or cashew tree.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, Felix.
I have in my mother's house there's a cashew tree, and I have eaten the
Fruits,
cashew
yeah.
nuts. I have eaten and the flesh.
Okay.
Fleshy
Flesh
part of
also.
it. It
Yes.
tastes.
And the
Yeah,
flesh.
it tastes. It is in Malayalam we will say kara. Yeah, many of the
It's a
right.
state. Okay, children.
Yeah.
This is the red cashew. In our houses, we will get the yellow cashew also. Sometimes
Yes,
you will
ma'am,
get
my
it's a
house.
mixture of both yellow color and green. So there's a variety of cashews are there. It is mainly seen in Kerala. Other part of India, I have not seen these trees because Portuguese people came to Kochi first. Correct? Vasco da Gama landed in Calicut or Kozhikode, we say. That is the place the Vasco da Gama came into India. So they are the people who came and planted the seeds of there, because here also from the one seed you will get the new plant. Okay, so that is how the cashews come. So this is some peculiar feature. You will see it in especially in area in Kochi, then you will see Thrissur and the areas of Idukki and all. We have plenty of
Ma'am,
cashew plants over there.
yeah, my mother's house is in
Yes, yes.
Nowadays,
Nowadays we are cutting all these cashews and all. It is very rare nowadays. Even in my house there are four to five cashew trees where then now everything is cut to make a building for my brother. So it is now coming less and less, but this is a medicinal fruit. Cashew fruits is very good medicinal, just like a rambutan. Everyone may not like it, but it is very good.
I love it very much.
Some may not like it.
Never tried the cashew fruits.
Now these are the another type, we call it
I had
dry
never
fruit.
tasted fruits.
Yes.
We have
Yeah.
the seed
So
outside.
these are the other type of fruits, dry fruits. It is the dry fruits actually is the seed
And
of a,
sunflower seed.
yes. Okay, wait. Enough.
And I usually give this to my hamster. Sunflower.
Okay, very good. Now just keep quiet. So children, these are the seeds of some of the fruits. When we dry it, we call them as a dry fruits. They are very good in making the chocolates, and we use also in making in cake, cookies, and we also make in making what you call pastry and all. We can just spread all this almond, Brazil nuts. This is not very common in India. This is not very common. This is an imported one. We get it from outside. Gulf countries, we get it in a packet. Cashews, you already know. Corn nut, hazelnut,
What is corn?
Cornet also, I don't know much about it. Some type
What
of
is
corn.
hazelnut?
There's a
What is
baby corn.
hazelnut?
No, there is a baby corn tree. It is available in abroad. Baby corn. Usually in Tamil Nadu and we get corns bigger size, but we will get baby corn. I think it's the seed of that.
Market we will get.
Then
Ma'am,
hazelnut.
I had
Hazelnut.
eaten that baby.
Hazelnut also one type of nuts. I am not sure about what
And
is that.
pizza.
Macadamia. Macadamia. This is we get it from in African countries. There is a tree, macadamia tree.
And the
Very
sunflower
famous.
seed we can eat it.
Yes, peanut. You know what is peanut? This is
My
pecan. I'm not
hamsters.
sure.
Ma'am, my
Pine nuts.
hamsters.
Pista,
Hazelnuts are found
pumpkin
in
seed,
noodles.
sunflower seed, soy nut. All these are very good, very rich nutrients and vitamins are there in pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and all. So even if you make a pumpkin curry, you can have the seeds. No problem.
Yes,
Nothing
ma'am,
will
I
happen to
used
you.
to eat the pumpkin
Yeah,
seeds.
sunflower seeds is very rich in vitamins.
Ma'am, I have a lot of here.
Nuts. We get a vegetable. We can buy soya sauce. All this you must have heard about it. That is from this.
I have
Vegetable.
soya bean in my house.
That is from this. It is the
Ma'am, we
nuts
used to
of
make it as
beans.
curry.
This is what we remove from the
Soak
soya
them in
beans.
water.
Okay.
And
Then
we
black
soak
walnut. This is also not very common in our India. It is
Black.
also abroad. Very good for the children. It is not tasting so nice like cashew. And cashew you can have it. It's very tasty.
It's
tasty.
bitter. It's
But
bitter.
Ma'am, I have.
Black walnuts and walnuts, little bit one bitter. All may not like it,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
it is very good,
I
very good nutrients which is rich in food.
I
Okay,
have walnuts.
I
here.
have
I
walnuts
used
in
to eat
everyone.
every day.
So we have seen 5 types of the fruits with one seed, fruits with many seeds, fruits don't have any seed, then dry fruits. So these are and there is a seed outside, that is cashew. Now I wanted to tell that everyone, Danvin, show your fruit. Which fruit do you have? Tell the name. What's that? I cannot see. Danvin.
guava.
Guava. Okay. Is that guava has many seeds or one seed, Danvin?
Many seeds.
Okay, very good. Felix, show the fruit in your hand. What's that? Onion.
No, ma'am, passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Okay. Why this color? I have a green color passion fruit at home.
Yeah, I have red color.
Okay. It's many seeds or one seed in passion fruit?
There are many seeds.
Okay. Aditi, very good. Aditi,
Ma'am.
show your fruit.
Passion fruit.
Oh, okay. So it has
have the seeds also.
that you don't show me. I feel like drinking. So keep it aside. Okay.
Oh, I like this
Ma'am, I
passion fruit.
have the
I like
have
this.
candy seeds.
Okay. Mayuk or Mayu Nair? Mayu Nair or Mayuk? Show your fruit. What is that in your hand?
Banana.
Banana. Is it have any seed or what is that banana?
No seed.
Seedless fruit. Very good. Prithvi, what is that? Mango. Okay. Mango
Now I have
has
a tiny.
Ma'am,
What's
the
that?
I have a
nuts
tiny.
The
Prithvi,
nut.
what is that? The tiny things.
Ma'am, these are the seeds.
Seeds of who?
Apple,
Apple seeds.
watermelon,
Okay. Apple.
tomato, guava.
Okay. Very good. Very good, Prithvi. Niranjan, others mute it. Niranjan, show your fruit. Others mute it. I am coming to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Show your fruit, Niranjan. Musambi. Okay. Is it one seed or many seeds in that, Niranjan?
Many seeds, ma'am.
Okay. Sarah, what do you have?
Mango.
Mango. One seed or many seed?
One seed.
Okay. Avantika, show your fruit. Pomegranates. Is it so? Apple.
No, ma'am, apple.
Okay. How many seeds?
Many
Many seeds. Okay. Manas and Ojas, both of you show your fruits. What are you showing? Banana. Okay. It's a seedless fruit. Very good. Manas also showing the same fruit. What's you are showing?
Lemon.
Lemon. How many seeds? Many seeds or one seed in that?
Many seeds.
Okay, very good. Dia, show the fruit. Very good.
Guava.
A guava. Many seeds or one seed?
Many seeds.
Okay, very good. Okay, Glenn Biju, what are you showing? Rambutan.
Yes, ma'am. Rambutan.
How many seeds in that?
One seed.
Okay. Juwan, show the fruit. Jackfruit? What's that? Pumpkin. Oh, very good. Today you had pumpkin curry, Juwan?
No, ma'am. I have.
Okay, fine. Many seeds or one seed? Krithi, now I saw it everything. Now keep it down. See, they are feeling hungry. You will get stomach ache. So don't say. Yeah, Juwan. Many seeds. Okay. Very good. Juwan, keep it down. Risa, show the fruit.
Tanvi.
I am coming to everyone. Just wait. Risa, where is your fruit? Okay.
And a banana.
Oh, okay. Who is having more seeds? Banana or this?
Ma'am. I have apple.
Apple. Banana is a fruit, seedless fruit.
I have fruit.
Okay, please mute it.
Can I?
Others mute it. Those who showed, Aditi mute it. Those who showed me, mute your audio. Rudra, show your fruit. Rudra, did you show your fruit? Okay. Banana and apple. So who is having more seeds, Rudra? Apple. Okay, good. Srihari, show your fruit.
Ma'am, I have first a lemon.
Okay. Lemon have many seeds or single seed?
Many seeds.
Okay. Next one.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
the
I
other
can
one
see.
is a vegetable. It's
Ah.
tomato.
Tomato. Tomato also have a seeds, correct? Yes. Many seeds or
Many
one seed?
seeds.
Many seeds. Very good, Srihari. Yes. Tanvi, show the fruit.
Ma'am, I have sapota.
Sapota. How many seeds sapota is having?
Many seeds.
Many seeds. Very good. Maria, show the fruit. Tanvi, Nainika, Haira, please show on the video. I am not able to see the fruit.
Maria, mute.
Maria, show your fruit. Maria.
I am not able to on my video.
Okay. Yes. Okay. It's a no seed. Correct, Maria? Mute it. Next. Who I did not show?
Ma'am,
Manjima. Manjima, show
Granite.
pomegranate. Many seeds.
Ma'am, many seeds.
Okay. Others mute it. Navaneet, show your fruit.
Ma'am, I have Lubika. It is the fruit of Kerala and it have two tastes. One is sour and one is sweet.
Okay. How many seeds? Many seeds or one seed?
Many seeds.
Okay. Manav, show your fruit. Manav.
Sapota.
Sapota. Many seeds or one seed?
Many seeds.
Okay, very good. Janvi, show the fruit.
Sapodilla.
Okay. What is that?
Sapodilla.
Okay. How many seeds? Many seeds.
Many seeds.
Okay. Siddhi, show the fruit. Show the fruit.
I have a pomegranate.
Okay. Very nice. Okay.
This may look a bit
So all the seeds and vegetable you brought in. So all these two.
I also have a seed.
Okay. Custard apple. Okay. So all these are many
And this
seeds.
is the inner portion of it.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Siddhi. Dia. Yeah. What do you have?
All of them have more than two. They have more seeds.
Okay. Now you muted Siddhi. Okay. Dia, show me.
Ma'am, guava.
Many seeds or one seed, Dia?
Many seeds.
Okay. Danvin, show me your fruit.
Ma'am, guava.
Guava. Many seeds or one seed?
Many seeds.
Many seeds. Okay. What will I do? Ashwal Krishna, your video of I will not see any fruit. Correct?
Ryan.
I cannot see Ashwal Krishna. Okay, this is a part of activity. If you don't show me, there is a mark. Children, there is a mark for all this activity. If you don't show me the things, you will not get the mark. Wait, Ryan. I know. Nainika, what about you?
I on my video, ma'am. Can you see me?
I cannot see Nainika. What do you have? Okay, you just tell me what you have in your hand.
Ma'am, I have
What fruit? Apple. Many seeds or single seed? Nainika, many seed or single seed in apple?
Many seeds.
Okay. Ryan, show your fruit. Ryan.
Pineapple.
Oh, pineapple. Did the pineapple has a seed, Ryan? No, it's a seedless fruit. Okay, Ryan. So when you cut
Okay.
in pineapple, you see whether if there is a seed or not. It's a seedless fruit. Okay, Ryan, very good. Pineapple is a seedless fruit, just like a banana. Ashwal Krishna, can you tell me at least what fruit do you have? Because I cannot see your video. Shall I put 0 mark for this activity then? Ashwal. Ashwal. Okay. No
He
response.
usually cannot on his video non
So what to do?
response.
I cannot give 5 marks.
Ma'am.
Okay.
You didn't give
Anyone who did not show me, the fruit.
Risa and Rudra.
Okay. Fine, children.
Rudra Gochan.
So today's activity, this is when you come on Monday, bring a flower in your hand. Okay.
Okay,
Any flower. Don't buy flower from out. I wanted the flower in your compound. It can be any. I want the name of that flower.
I don't
also.
have any of them here.
Are you plan today so that
I
Monday
have a
the
doubt.
flower will come?
I have a doubt.
Fine. Fine.
I have a doubt.
Okay. Before I plant the seed,
Everyone
And
muted. Srihari
there
asking
were
a
lot-
doubt. Hello. Srihari asking a doubt. Everyone muted. Yes, Srihari.
Ma'am.
Tell
Ma'am,
me.
you were told to bring a flower. We should bring a flower with fruit that becomes a fruit or a regular flower.
Regular, usual flower. Okay, usual flower. Any
That's
flower.
it.
Okay.
Then
And you have to
That's
say the name of that flower.
That's
And
it.
Okay,
you have to
Okay,
tell me
ma'am.
how that plant, that flower plant is coming. You have to tell me
That's
whether
it.
it is with from the seed, you put the
Okay, ma'am.
seed and get the flower, or you get the by planting the stem or planting the root,
Ma'am.
something like that.
We
Okay.
should
ma'am.
pick a usual flower that does not
Suppose you
become
bring
into
shoe
a
flower,
fruit.
you know, Chambarti, shoe flower you bring
Yeah.
it. And then you have to
Okay.
tell me how do you plant the shoe flowers sapling.
ma'am.
Okay. Usually
Okay,
shoe flower, how do you plant? You cut the stem and plant it. So similarly, you have to tell me that also. Okay. Then only we can move to next
Okay,
topic,
ma'am.
germination. So germination is part of
Oh, I know,
this
ma'am, that.
activity.
I
Okay,
know
bye.
germination.
Yeah.
Bye.